Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Samsung M31 Prime Edition. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to reset your phone without losing the data. So let's begin with that. So let's assume you are facing numerous errors, sometime related to apps, sometime related to system wide and so on. You are planning to do the data reset, or I would say factory data reset. But before that, I will recommend to do this particular part which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So for that, you just have to tap on settings button. Afterward, just move to the below section where you will find about phone, and again to the bottom where you will find reset. Just tap it here. And if you are just facing for network issue related, then I'll recommend to do this part. And if you are going to, or if you are plan to make factory data reset process, then you have to take backup. But before that, I'll recommend to do reset settings, because in that case you don't have to take backup. Your data will not be deleted. It's like it will only reset all the settings related to this phone. So that will be the only thing which you have to be aware with that. So let's assume you have made your mind to do the reset setting. Just tap it here, and afterward it will prompt you like this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings like password, pin pattern, fingerprint scanner and so on. Apart to this, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloading app and so on. If you are good, sure that yes I have to do this part, and you are having all the passwords and so on related to your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth related things and so on, then I would recommend just tap on reset setting. Now if you have set any pin, then it will ask you for the confirmation. Just enter it. Once it will found legit, it will show you the final prompt, that is all settings will be reset to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply these new settings, your phone will restart. So if you are again confirmed that you want to do it, just or I would say just and only just tap it here, and it will say restarting device to reset settings, please wait and so on. So now your phone will be restarted and all the settings will be reset, and we will verify few other things as well. Like at this moment I am connected to a Wi-Fi, and after doing this part it will reset the connectivity, and I have to again enter the password because all the settings have been reset. So finally the phone has been restarted. Now it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes to boot into the login screen or home screen. So finally our phone has been restarted. Let me just enter the credentials to successfully logged in. So just wait till the time this will load properly. So now let me move to the Wi-Fi connection, and I'll show. Earlier it was connected to a Wi-Fi. Now as I have reset all the settings, so the password connectivity, or I would say Wi-Fi connectivity, has been reset. Now if I'll be tapping here, it will ask me to enter the password, and once I'll enter, it will be functional again. So again the same thing, like if you are doing this part, you should remember all the vital things regarding password and so on with respect to your Wi-Fi and so on. So this was all from my side related to how to reset your phone without losing the data. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.